kitchen utensils, blender, food processor, grater, peeler, whisk, ladle, tongs, spatula, measuring cup, colander, rolling pin, sieve, second C, oven mitts, cutting board, frying pan, saucepan, pressure cooker, toaster. What is this called? Please do comment in the comment section. Vase, window, cabinets, toaster, microwave, cutting board, blender, drawer, counter, spatula, coffee maker, dishes, shelf, curtains, coffee maker, power outlet, dishwasher, sink, faucet or tab, dish rack, refrigerator, freezer, chair, spoon, bowl, knife, mug, plate, fork, dining table. What am I doing now? I am flipping the pancake. What am I doing now? I am washing the vegetables. What am I doing now? I am kneading the dough. What am I doing now? I am pouring the juice. What am I doing now? I am arranging food on the plate. What am I doing now? I am frying the eggs. What am I doing now? I am chopping the onions. What am I doing now? I am grating the cheese. What am I doing now? I am serving the food. What am I doing? I am cracking the eggs. What am I doing? I am slicing the bread. What am I doing? I am mincing the garlic. What am I doing? I am dicing the apple. What am I doing? I am shredding the potato. What am I doing? I am mashing the potatoes. What am I doing? I am grating the cheese. What am I doing? I am sauteing onions. What am I doing? I am poaching an egg. What am I doing? I am stir frying vegetables. What am I doing? I am marinating meat. What am I doing? I am blanching tomatoes. What am I doing? I am boiling eggs. What am I doing? I am baking a cake. What am I doing? I am frying fries. What am I doing? I am grilling meat. What am I doing? I am steaming fish. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you really like my video and found helpful, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really need your love and support, and follow for more for such English learning videos.